Welcome to Strong Spas!
I'm Grace. Strong Spas makes hot tubs and helps the community.
I learned how to make hot tubs and how to work together.
I'm Landon. We went around and recorded and interviewed people in Strong Spas.
Hi, I'm Izzy, and I went to Strong Spas to learn how to work together with all the people that I went with and to learn how to make hot tubs.
My primary goal is to improve processes throughout the plant.
My name is Austin Jenkins and I'm a floor manager.
I'm a social media ambassador. I'm a water tech. I'm a all-around guy here.
I am a team lead. I run offline manufacturing.
Come in, we do our 10 key leadership skills. As long as you follow by them and try to set a good atmosphere for everybody else.
Well, within the building, there's a lot of different diversity, a lot of teamwork.
Make hot tubs, have fun, and get the job done.
We make custom hot tubs, we make roto tubs and acrylic tubs.
Everything has to be good before it goes out this door.
We deal with a lot with outside vendors. We deal with a lot getting our raw material and our other resources.
I try to make everyone happy.
Seeing the impact that I can have on each person that I surround myself with or associate with, talk to.
Our teamwork, the way everybody works together to help run the plant and keep things producing what it is every day.
We're a community in the sense that all of our employees together make up a community, but then we also get ourselves involved in the community outside of our walls.
We do a lot of things. We have Toys for Tots. We go out to the dog shelter up there in Danville. So we reach out to the community and do a lot of things.
Did we get free hot tubs?
Oh, Gunner. And that's what's so cool about manufacturing.